Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to explain you about if with or functionality, which is continuous for my previous video. If you have not checked out my previous video yet, make sure to do by clicking the icon in the top right corner. In that video I explain the concept of if statements along with some great tips on using and functionality. So please go ahead and give it a watch to catch up on the useful information. In that video, with AND condition we can satisfy multiple condition at one goal, but with OR functionality, if one criteria out of multiple is true, then the ultimate result is true. So in this condition, for example, the company management, they concern that implementing the new performance scoring system could potentially leads to a way of demotivation among employees. So that's why they're saying that people are getting score, it means they are performing. So they say let's make this criteria bit lenient for employees to get qualified. So if a person get 5 or more than a 5 in any one of the 3 levels, the person will qualify for the bonus. So this is the condition of R. So now we're gonna start it by pressing equal to IF. If I press tab to open the formula, and then logical test will be OR. So I'm gonna write OR. Now I will press tab. So the syntax is same at with as it was of an logical 1, logical 2, logical 3 and so on. So logical 1 will be the level 1 greater than equal to 5, comma level 2 should also be greater than equal to 5, comma, and level 3 is also greater than equal to 5. So out of 3 conditions I'm gonna close down the bracket because I'm done with OR. Now syntax of if will come back. Now out of 3 levels, if a single level achieved 5, for more than 5 the person will treated as a qualified. So that is why we used OR initially. So I'm gonna press comma and I'm gonna say if this condition is true, then the person will be treated as qualified. So I'm gonna put double quote, I'm gonna write qualified and close with double quote. So if a person is not achieved 5 or more than 5 in any of the level, then it should be disqualified. Okay, say I'm keeping double quote, disqualified, closing with double quote and close bracket, enter. See, the Ashok person is achieved more than 5 in every level, it's qualified. But I want to check the rest of the people. Okay, come down, control shift up, control D. See, out of 24 people, 17 people are qualified and 3 people are disqualified. See, the 3 people not achieved any one level more than 5 or 5. That's why Ramesh, Suresh, Jeevan are disqualified. That's it guys. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.